Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the icons on your desktop bigger or smaller on Windows 10 or 11. So there's a couple different ways we can do this. We can just right-click on the desktop and then go to where it says View, and we can make the icons larger, medium, or smaller. Otherwise, you can hold down Control and then use the scrolling wheel on your mouse, and you can make these larger or smaller based off of that. So very simple to go ahead and do that. Now, another thing that might be causing an issue for you is the scaling of the screen. So we can go to Start, go to Settings, and then go on over to System, and go to Display. Scroll on down, just choose the correct screen, and go to Scale. It says change the size of text, apps, and other items. So just bring this to a good amount here, maybe 100, 125%. If you got a little bit smaller screen, you might need to add 150% to see a little bit better. So for me on a laptop, 15-inch screen, 125% looks fine. But I think on my other screen, I might have it set to something else. It looks like 125% also. So you can change the size of the icons and stuff as well with scaling. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.